Welcome back guys to GTS Garage. Today we're going to look at the XJ600 again, and we're going to finish off the front, make the front safe, and then we're going to have a little bit of kind of a milestone episode. Now and the reason why it's a milestone episode is because I think we're nearly there. We're close enough to start thinking about an MoT. So to get there through an MoT you need a number of safety features, but before we even try that we need to make sure the bike is safe for someone to even ride to the MoT centre. So first of all I need to just finesse the front cowling, because the last time it was there but it was still sharp, had some sharp edges. What I want to do is file those all back, make that front part safe to handle and safe for other people that run the hands across, like an MoT for instance, one of those. So I want to make that safe. I'm going to just kind of make the wiring safe that feed to the spotlights, which I love. So I'm going to be wrapping all of those, making sure they're tucked away and they're out of the way and safe. I'm also going to take the spec sheet manual over there, and I'm going to torque every nut, bolt and fastener on the bike, starting at the front all the way to the end. I think we will then roll her outside, we will apply some chain lube, we will test the brakes, we'll put air in the tyres because they're bound to be low at this point. Put air in the tyres, test the brakes, lube the chain, and I think we're then going to start her up and see if she'll engage into first gear. I think that's enough waffling, let's just crack on. Red to positive, earth, and the blue to the lights. Okay, so we've done from the front back, we're now at the engine mount. So the engine mounts are 60, front lower, front higher and lower are 60, and the rear one's 88. So set the torque wrench to 60, and let's see where we're at. That's it, I think. So 60, exactly. So these have all been done. Okay guys, just a quick update. I've done the front axle, rear axle, all the engine bolts, stuff that's going to kill you by coming off. Tied everything up, secured everything up that should be now, and it is now just a small little bolts remaining. Jobs that still need to do, I still need to modify that clutch slightly because the biting point is very close to the handle grip itself, and I need to move that out about midway. I also need to go back to the front brakes and see if there's any air in there, because whilst they are responsive, there's a little bit of sponginess there, and adjust the clutch, but I think that is it. The other thing she needs is a permanent fuel source. So I need a way of kind of making sure that the integrity of that tank is still intact. So that will be for another episode. As I said, please as punch. Bit of a milestone because she is now torqued. I don't have to do that again. The only thing I will have to do is check the air pressures, making sure she's keeping air the next time I roll her out. But actually, as a first test ride, that's good. The next one will be out on the road. I will catch you guys later. You take care of yourselves, ride safe, the good weather is here, and I shall see you out there. Take care, bye.